Leaking from a water supply valve connection is one of those annoying home problems that can totally mess up your day if you don't handle it right away. So here's the deal. First, if you notice water dripping or pooling around the valve connection under your sink or behind the toilet, don't panic. Grab a wrench and try tightening the connection gently. You don't want to crank it so hard that you break anything, but sometimes it's just a bit loose. If tightening doesn't stop the leak, the next thing to check is the washer inside the valve. It can get worn out or cracked over time. You can turn off the main water supply, unscrew the valve connection, pull out the old washer, and replace it with a new one that fits exactly. When you put everything back together, make sure it's snug but not over-tightened, then slowly turn the water back on to test for leaks. If you still see drips even after that, it's possible the valve itself is damaged and might need swapping out. Always keep a bucket or some towels handy just in case you get a surprise splash while working on this. And remember, if you're ever unsure or the leak looks worse than a little drip, calling a pro is always a smart move. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water supply valve leaks is ignoring small drips, which can lead to bigger water damage and mold problems down the line. Fix it by addressing leaks as soon as you spot them. Another common issue is over-tightening connections, which can strip threads or crack fittings. Just tighten enough to stop the leak without forcing it. Lastly, using the wrong size or type of washer causes leaks to persist even after replacement. Always match washers carefully by checking the valve model or bringing the old one to the hardware store for comparison. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing when it comes to home repairs, like fixing water supply valve leaks. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for reliable help and grow your business without all the extra hassle.